My name is Angad, and I will be showing my trivia game I made on Python. It has various questions and points. So now I will run the code that I made. Okay, so now when I run the code, it says this is a trivia game with various questions. Type next if you're ready to go on. So I'll type next. So type next, and then it says you will answer the questions to keep your point score up. Type next if you're ready to go on. Okay. Once you get 5 points, you win. Good luck. Type start if you're ready to start. So I'm going to type start. Now I start. Okay. Every how many years does a leap year happen? Just type a number. I'll do 4. Every 4 years, a leap year happens. Okay. Nice. You got 1 correct. 1 point on the board. The points you have are 1. Okay. So I just scored a point. I have 1 point now, and now I'm going to type next to continue. Okay, how many lives does a cat have? I'll try 9. Okay, nice. You got 1 correct. 1 point on the board. The points you have are 2. So I'll type next. And then how many stages does the leaf have? I'll type 47 to get it wrong. Okay, the points you have are 2. Or you got 1 wrong. Nice try, but no points. Now I have 2 points. Then I'm going to continue. Which world war happened at Pearl Harbor? 2 or 1? I'll do 2. Points you have are 3. Type next if you're ready to go. Okay, last question. How many points is a football touchdown? I'll just type 5 to get it wrong. Nice try, but you got the last round. Type next if you're ready to see the results. So I'll type next. Okay, the points you have are 3. Nice try. Nice try. You gave a good effort, but you sadly lost. Okay, so that's what happened when I ran the code. I did the code. Now I'm gonna explain you a part in the code. I'll explain right here, this part. Okay, so I put a value as leap year, put a value, and this was my question. Every how many years does a leap year happen? Just type a number. Then I set point score to 0, and then I wrote a code, or if leap year is equal to 4, and print nice, you got 1 correct, 1 point on the board, and then point equals point plus 1. So that's now point will equal 1. And then else print you got 1 wrong. Nice try, but no points. Then I'll print an F string, which means you can put a variable in it. So then the points you have are now point, which I set to 1 now if I got it correct. Otherwise, if I got it wrong, then it would be 0. And then I would take an input of next, and then a game, same thing with the leap year. Then it's live equals cat, and then the same thing will run for all the questions. Now I'm going to go to the end. So then same thing will happen. Input, type next if you're ready to see the results. Print the F string saying the points you have are now point, which would probably be how much you accumulated at the end of this trivia game. Then we'll do if point is equal to 5, then which is, there's 5 questions. So then if you got 5 points, then you won because you got everything correct. Print EA, you finished the game with everything correct. Otherwise, say nice try, you gave a good effort, but sadly you lost. So that was my code. I hope you enjoyed this trivia game, and bye. Thank you for watching.